Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, the sides of a regular polygon is given as x and we have to find the perimeter of this regular polygon. So let's name the polygon as A, B, C, D and E, right? So perimeter is nothing but the length of all the sides of a polygon. So perimeter will be equals AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EA. Now given that the measure of each side is equals x, and since this is a regular polygon, so all of the sides will be equal in length. So all of the sides are equal in length and is equals x. So AB will be x, BC will be x, CD will be x, and accordingly DE and EA will be equals x. So we have 5x and they are bounded with each other with the help of additive operator. So we can write it in the form of 5x. So perimeter will be equals 5x. Upon checking the options, we see that option C will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.